Hello there, this is just a short unboxing video. I wanted to show you my new body cam. It also can be used as a vlogging cam, that's why I got it. I'm going to be mainly using this camera for travel videos. As you know, I uploaded the first updated travel video. I decided to experiment with new editing techniques and a new way to make the travel video to make it more interesting and better looking. I want to make my channel look more professional. As you know, I moved here to Tacoma less than a month ago, and there were a lot of places to travel to and explore in the Puget Sound area. So I'm going to be doing a lot of travel videos this next year or two. Before I used a big bulky camcorder, which you know about, and I didn't really want to lug that around in a big bag, so I started using my cell phone video camera, but that doesn't have very good audio, and I wanted better video. I wanted something that I could hold in my pocket and hold on my, I have a necklace with this that can go around my neck, and I also have a clip with this. This can also go on a bicycle. I have a bicycle mount, so I can do bicycle videos, like bicycle cam videos. I'm going to be using this for like hiking videos and walking videos. I want to do a whole bunch of walks. So I think this is going to work. I was shopping for a vlogging camera on Amazon, and I saw this type. There were many, some of them were more expensive, which I'll probably get a more expensive camera in a year or two once I get better on YouTube and get more money. And but this will work. This is as you can see here, it even comes with a tripod that I can put on a tripod standing somewhere, or I could hold the tripod in my hand to steady it, and it does pretty good audio and video because I tested it out already. The video resolution is 2560 by 1440, and the video frame rate is 30 frames per second. The lens here can rotate 180 degrees. The flash card, you can store SD flash card up to 256 gigabytes. I think this comes with, I forgot, I think it's got internal memory. I think it might be 128. But the sound and video are pretty good on this. So I'm going to open this and show it to you. Let's see, it's by Kaysunlink. You can see that. Let me put that right there. As you can see, I got one of my backdrops. They're called tapestries. I got one of my backdrops on the wall for filming this. Got the body clip. Got the USB cord to plug it in. And it's got like a flash drive right here. I'll put this right here. It's got the lanyard necklace that you can put around your neck. This is a bicycle mount to go on my bicycle. And get rid of this. This is a tripod that it can go on. And here is the body cam itself. This is how small it is. It looks sort of like a miniature MP3 player. It can fit in your pocket when it's not in use. See, that's the lens. It can rotate. pretty good audio and video, so I can use this to record with, like this, and you can see this little thing right here goes into this mount. This is how I will use it. So I can hold it like this. So it's pretty good. I'm going to be using this starting this week. But it's by Kaysunlink UHD Pro. So I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to go to Point Defiance Park and probably tomorrow and walk on some of the trails and test this out. I'm also going to go see Hoppers in theaters because it just came out this weekend. I'm going to see it in the special theater room. It's sort of like, I forgot what it's called, but it's like, I think it's Real 3D. It's like Regal Cinema's RPX, but it's for Cinemark Theaters version. So at Point Weston, so I'm going to go to that. So there you have it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of this. And so there it is. So thank you for watching this video. Just wanted to announce that I got a new TravelCam that's better than my cell phone or my camcorder, my bulky camcorder, which I'm filming this video with that camcorder. It's my old one, but it still works. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for subscribing and viewing my videos and giving your support. Thank you.